Do you want to know the real secret to getting rich in your 20s? Forget the fluff, the fake grass, and the scams. This is the blueprint nobody tells you about. I'm not here to sell you or curse or promise overnight success. If you're serious about building wealth while you're young, you need to watch this video until the end. Let's dive in. Mindset shift. The first step to getting rich isn't about money. It's about mindset. Most people think their 20s stuck earn and spend cycle. They think, I'll start saving when I make more. But here's the truth. Wealthy people think differently. They prioritize investing over spending and then understand the value of delayed gratifications. Start asking yourself, how can I make my money or work for me? This is shift thinking will set the foundation for everything else we'll discuss. The income pillars. Relying on a single income stream is the fastest way to stay broke. To get rich, you need to build income pillars. Here's how you do it. Learn a high income skill. Like this could be copywriting, digital marketing, coding, or video editing, something that pays you well. Invest in passive income. Start small. Think stock market, index funds, or even fractional real estate. Create scalable income. This could be starting a side hustle or a YouTube channel. The idea is to work on something that grows over time. For example, I started with e-commerce website when I sell digital product, and that site still become one of my biggest income streams today. The power of networking. Here's harsh truth. Your network determines your net worth. Surround yourself with ambitious, like-minded people. How? Attend industry events, join online communities, or even message people on LinkedIn. Offer value before asking for anything. For instance, help someone solve a problem or provide a resource. Opportunities are open a result of who you know, not just what you know. Remember, your circle can either push you forward or pull your own. Avoiding financial traps. Let me save you some pain. Stop falling to get rich quick scams. They don't work. Avoid unnecessary debt. Credit cards can be useful, but only if you're disciplined. Don't compare yourself with others on social media because most people aren't as rich as they look online. So you now have the blueprint. Start building wealth your 20s. But knowledge alone isn't enough. It's action that matters. So which step will take first? Drop it the comment below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Remember, your 20s a foundation. Build them wisely.